Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe. That's all you have to do is hit that bell, ding, and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. I'd like to thank everyone leaving all the nice comments and everything, and leaving comments what they want me to do in the Power XL. Mr. Belle just don't cook in the Power XL. Mr. Belle cook on the oven and the stove. And what I cook in the Power XL, you can also cook on the stove or in the oven. So don't be afraid if you don't have a Power XL, you can do it in the oven. The reason why Mr. Belle do it in the Power XL, I don't have to have the house hot, heated up or anything. This right here still keep the house nice and cool. Today, I'll be doing something different in the Power XL. I'll be air frying some bacon wrapped asparagus. So today, my asparagus, as you see, I cleaned them already and I wrapped some already. I didn't want to wrap all of them up to show you how clean they is, how good they look and everything. I want to wrap them while you watching me wrap, because you know Mr. Belle like to take you step by step. I have original bacon. If you don't like bacon, you can use the other bacon. Any kind of bacon you want to use, you can use. Or asparagus. I'm not using no season today because usually the bacon gonna soak into the asparagus and you want that taste right there. If I use season, it'll be a little too salty. So I'm gonna get started and just wrap one of these right here, and I have some wrap already. You just take it and put your bacon on like this, and we're just gonna twirl that around just like that. Let it go around like that. Get it nice and good, just like that. Get a nice good wrap on it. Once you get a wrap on it, it's a wrap. Just like that. And we're gonna set it to the side. And I'm gonna do one more and show you how easy it is. Take your bacon off just like this. But if you wanna use season, you can use season, whatever you wanna use. But Mr. Belle gonna do it like this. I'm gonna take another one and I'm just gonna wrap it, give you an idea how to wrap it just like that. Hold the tip of it and you just wrap it around. Just like that. Just let it wrap. Wrap just like that. Wrap it down just like that. And I'm gonna call it, and that's a wrap. And I'm gonna do one more before I start this Power XL. I'm gonna wrap one more. Give me a nice healthy one in there. And put it just like that. Wrap it. And this right here is gonna be delicious. This is a good knick-knack for lunch. With some nice rice or something, whatever you want to have it with, or you can just eat it like that on the side. Give me another one. And I'm just wrap it just like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a break right now and I'll be back to get started. Okay, so I'm gonna set this to air fry. I'm gonna set the temperature, 375. And I might have 2 batches. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set it on 40 minutes. Set it for 40 minutes because I have 2 batches. Set it for 40. And I'm gonna press start. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just spray a little. I'm gonna close it. In the meantime, my ingredients. My ingredients today is bacon and asparagus and a little olive oil. That's all the ingredients I'm using today. We're gonna see how this come out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set them in just like that. And this is my first time doing it, but Mr. Belle gonna take you step by step, show you how delicious they can be. Yeah, sit them in just like that. Sit them in just like that. Like I say, I'm gonna use 2 batches of them. So I'll be doing this 2 times. Put it in like that. And I'm gonna put the top on it and let it go. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a look at it. You know, Mr. Belle like to take you step by step. We're gonna look at this together, see how it's coming out. It's coming out pretty good and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the top down for a couple more minutes and see how that come out. Also, you know, while this is cooking for all my first time viewers, all my first time watchers, watching Mrbelleskitchen, wash your dishes as it cooks. Don't leave it for the spouse, don't leave it for your friend, don't leave it for your roommate, don't leave it for your kids. If they might be hungry and turn down the food. For everyone to enjoy the food, just wash as you go. Everyone will be happy. I'll be right back. It's been 14 minutes, so I'm gonna look at it. As you see, it's still coming out nice and good. I'm gonna just move it around a little and everything. Just move it just like that. It kind of scattered around a little, but they're looking good. And I'm gonna close it for a few more minutes. So, close it for a few more minutes, let it cook about 3 more minutes, and I'm taking that batch out. I'm gonna take a look at it. Oh yeah, these right here are done. I'm gonna take these out, put them on this paper right here. And these are gonna be your bacon wrap asparagus air fry. I'm gonna let them cool off right here. Just like this. That's looking good. Let them cool off for a minute. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put this other batch in and let them just cook before I end this video. Just like that. Put them in. Like that. And 2 more to put in. Put it in just like that. And I'm gonna let the top down. And this is your air fried bacon wrapped asparagus. And that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. Also, if you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you'll subscribe to Mrbelleskitchen. Thank you.